I'm a big fan of the Potensic Atom 2. It's been a great drone. I've been using it for quite some time now. This is the brand new smart controller that they have released, and I can't wait to show you guys this new kit, this new package that they're offering. So on the front, it looks very similar to what you would have seen with previous unboxings, but the new offering here is that brand new smart controller. And for me, this is exciting to see a brand like Potensic that I've really liked for quite some time now doing something like this, because the smart controller is something that I'm a big fan of. It changes the entire experience with the drone for the positive, really. So I'm trying not to knock the camera. There we go. So it looks like, oh, is it even a new bag potentially? Let's have a look. Ooh, very nice. This is a brand new bag from memory. Alright, I'm just moving that off to the side. So this looks like a camera bag. It's like a sling bag. I love this design here where you pull down here with the zips to open it up. That's super unique. Oh, I love that. Let's just free this up so we have a little bit more space to show you. There we go. So the other really cool thing of this bag that I've just noticed, this section here is magnetic. This is smart. Love this. So that's magnetic, so you can open it up, grab your stuff out, and maybe you just sling it over, leave it next to you, and it's magnetically closed now. Really, really smart design. And then we've obviously got those zips there that can hook on. Loving this bag. This is unique. Okay, and then as we open up, this is all new as well. This looks way more premium. Really, really nice. Let's have a look at the controller. This is the main new piece that we've got here. So let's just move everything out the way. Alright, let's have a look. It's got a decent amount of weight to it. I really liked the other controller that they released with the Atom 2. So I'm sure this one's going to be quite similar here. Take that screen off. Ooh, that is very nice. Look at that. Love that. Big old display. Let's just power it on. Potensic, these fold towards you. The antennas fold towards you, and then you can angle them away. That is really nice. Super premium. Potensic are doing some awesome stuff here. This is a clean production here. USB-C, micro SD. We've got some little screws to mount up other accessories. On the back we've got the thumbsticks. Nothing on the side. Really comfortable though in the hand. Let's just have a look at this. Okay, so they call it the PTD1 controller. I'm just going to power it down while we look at this. Nice antennas, like I said, love the feel of them and how they just fold into themselves. We've got a record button, shutter button, we've got 2 scrolling wheels and then 2 programmable buttons as well. That feels awesome in the hand, love that. So that's the new controller. We then get the charging brick there. We get a bunch of accessories in here, so USB-C to USB-C, some propellers, and some paperwork as well. So that's quite nice. This is the charging hub. I want to have a look at the main pieces here. Okay, so this is identical, I believe, to the other version. So that's as expected. Yep, they all load the same. That feels nice. Like that. You've got USB-A and the charging point there as well, which will be for this guy. Really, really nice packaging, honestly. This is a premium brand now. Love this. There we go. So that's the power point. That's the charger right there. We won't open up this one. I actually want to keep this one in the package. But it does have a screwdriver, some screws. It's got USB-C to USB-C. We've got some paperwork, and we've got all the extra propellers as well, so that's nice. Nothing else in here from what I can see. Oh, nice little side compartment actually, with some additional paperwork there. So we've got some more paperwork tucked into the side here, which is actually a nice design again. And then in here, this is where the drone's going to be. Now, I don't think the drone has changed since I saw it last time. It's the same strap. And then we release the gimbal and I think that's the same camera by the looks of it. So the big thing here is this new controller, obviously. This is the big upgrade, but also this bag. This bag has taken me by surprise here. This is one of the nicest bags that I've actually used. I think that's the controller. Ready to power down. Let's power that down for now. Yeah, one of the nicest bags I've seen. Love that magnetic design. Love what we're getting in this kit here. Charging hub's the same. And then obviously we've got this new controller here, which is very premium, like extremely premium. Quite a fan of that. There we go. So that's the Atom 2 with the brand new smart controller from Potensic. Absolutely love that.